going to look at that how to prepare the payslip. This is the final step. Until now we have did the fourth step. The final step for the payroll accounting in Microsoft Excel is prepare the payslip. That is the fifth step. If you want to create the payslip, we can get the information from the raw data table as well payroll sheet table. This is the raw data table. This is the payroll sheet. So we have did everything in this two sheet in this two table. So just I'm going to return the data from these two table, and I'm going to apply in this payslip, right? So how can I do it? It's very simple. The first we can see here, I have created a template for the payslip. So you can see here, Amalako Private Limited, employee's ID, employee's name, designation, being account number, being name, date of joining, total working days, attendant work days, month of salary, and income and deductions. And other income on basic salary, overtime allowance, dearness allowance, HRA traveling allowance, incentive allowance, then total earning. After that, deduction is PF and PT. PF main provident fund and PT main professional tax, right? And total deduction we need to show here. After that, the net salary apply here, and then employee signature, that is the payslip, right? So how can we prepare this payslip? It's very simple. Everything available in the raw data and the payroll sheet table. So we just need to retrieve the data from these two able to payslip, right? That's it. So the first is employee ID. If you want to get the employee ID, you can see it here, the raw data, the employee's ID available. So I just want to get this employee's ID as a list. So if I want to get that list, employee ID list, we can use the data validation. We have already studied about it. Now I'm going to apply it. So first I'm going to select the cell, and then I'm going to go to the data ribbon. Under the data ribbon you can see here data validation. I'm going to click the data validation. Then I'm going to choose the list, and I'm going to select the source. Where is the source file available? Under the raw data table you can see this is the employee's ID. So then I'm going to click the OK button. Now you can see the employee ID. We can see the list of employees ID, right? So we can easily select. If I select, it will come, right? 1002. For example, if it is anything changed here, it's also reflect in this payslip. For example, if I change the raw data, like for example, I'm going to insert the new row, and I'm going to put 1007, right? For example, and name is Hanafi. So I just edit, right? So if I click the payslip, and you can see the employee's ID, that is 1007 ID number also, it will appear here. You can see here, there is 1007, right? So what other things are contained in this table, it will reflect in there, right? So I'm going to delete it because this is the wrong information. I just want to explained. So I'm going to delete it. Now you can see there are 5 IDs available as per the raw data table. So I'm going to choose 1001, right? Now I'm going to retrieve the data. So how can we retrieve the data? I'm going to use the VLOOKUP function. So if I want to use the VLOOKUP function, first I need to put the equal sign. Then I need to call the VLOOKUP function, right? VLOOKUP. And then first is lookup value. We are going to search the information based on the employee ID. The employee ID is available here. So I'm going to choose the employee's ID, that is a B7, comma, and the table array we have already renamed the raw data table as raw data table, right? We have already set that the raw data table, right? So we just need to enter raw data table, raw data table, raw data table, and comma. We need to select the column index. If you look at the raw data table, the name is available. Which column? The second column. First column employee ID, second column employee's name. So we need to enter in the payslip. The column index is, what is the column index? The column index is 2. Then we need to select approximate the exact match. This is the exact match. I need the exact matching. So I'm going to choose the exact match. Then I'm going to close the bracket and I'm going to enter. Now we can see the employee's name is Khalid. 1001 is Khalid. If I select 1002, this is Ramani. So our VLOOKUP is working, right? As well, designation, you can see in the designation, it is situated in the 4th column. First, second, third, 4th column. So what can I do? I can do it. I just copy this VLOOKUP function, and I just need to change the column index as a 4, right? That's it. So I'm going to put the VLOOKUP function formula here, and I'm just going to change it. The column index is 4. Then enter. so designation is vocal. Bank account number. The bank account number available which column? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, so I'm going to be paste the formula and that 9 column, right? 9 column, and I'm going to be enter. Then bank name is which column? Bank name is, what is the bank name is here? So bank name is which column? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I'm going to be paste the lookup function, and sixth column is bank name, right? So I'm going to be enter. Then date of joining, where is available? Date of joining, this is the date of birth, this is the date of joining. Date of joining in the third column, first, second, third. So I'm going to be paste date, the VLOOKUP function. Then the column index is third column, so I'm going to be change the third column, and I'm going to be enter. The next one is total working days. Total working days available where? Here. So this is which column? This is which column? The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is their total working days. So I'm going to be paste the formula, and I'm going to be change 13. So the total working days 26. Attendant work days, you can see here. This is the attendant work days. This is the which column? First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the attendant work days. So I'm going to be paste 12, right? And I'm going to be enter, right? The next one is month basic salary. Right, month of salary, you can see here in the row data, month of salary is we are going to provide a May month salary. So this May month available in the which column? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 8 column. So I'm going to be paste 8 column. Column index is 8. So column index is 8. Not 8, I think, right? So month of salary, you can see here in the row data, month of salary, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is month of salary. So I'm going to be paste and I change it as a 10 as a column index. So then I'm going to be enter. So month of salary is May, right? The next one is income and deduction. Income and deductions are available in the payroll sheet, right? So we need to be retrieve the data from the payroll sheet to Payslip, right? How can we retrieve? We can use VLOOKUP function to retrieve the data from payroll sheet table to Payslip, right? So how can we use it? It's very simple. So the first one is earn basic salary. I'm going to be using the VLOOKUP function to retrieve the data from the payroll sheet table. So first I'm going to put the equal sign, and I need to call the VLOOKUP function, VLOOKUP, and then lookup value. We are going to be searched based on the employee's ID, that is the lookup value, comma, and the table array, that is the payroll sheet table. So I'm going to be type payroll. We have already set the table, payroll table sheet, right? Comma, and then column index is in the payroll sheet. Which column is the own basic salary? This is column, right? So the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth is the column. So I'm going to be enter. Column index is fifth, right? Comma, it is an exact match or approximate match. This is the exact match. I'm going to choose, then I'm going to close, then I'm going to be enter. So now we can see own basic salary 29,800 for Khalil, right? Okay, great. So likewise, we can retrieve the data from the payroll sheet table by using VLOOKUP. So I'm going to copy this formula, and I just need to be change the column index, right? So the overtime, which column? Overtime is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. So 8 is overtime allowance. So I'm going to be paste here formula, and I'm going to be changed as 8 because 8 is a overtime allowance in the table, right? The next one is DFS allowance. DFS allowance, this is the 8, right? This is the 9. DFS allowance is a 9, right? So DFS allowance is a 9. DFS allowance is a 9. And then there. And the HRA is a 10, right? This is 9, this is 10. So I'm going to be change the column index 10. And traveling allowance is the 11, right? This is 10, this is 11. So this is 11. So I'm going to be change the column index 11. And then incentive allowance, you can see here, incentive allowance is there 11, this is 12, right? 12. So I'm going to be change the column index 12. Right. Then PF, Provident Fund. You can see in the payroll sheet, Provident Fund, which column? This is the 12, this is 13, this is 14. So 14 is the PF. So I'm going to be enter the formula and change the column index 14. And then 15 and the PT. PT means professional tax. You can see the professional tax. This is the 14, professional tax is a 15. So 15 column. So I'm going to be change the column is a 15 and I'm going to be enter. Now I'm going to be enter the total earning and total deduction data. So how can we get the total earning, which column? You can see in the payroll sheet. Total earning, we need to be enter the column first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the total earning. So I'm going to be paste and I'm going to be change the total earning is 13, right? So 53,415. Total deduction is which table? Total deduction. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is the total deduction. Paste the formula and I'm going to be change the column index is 16. Then I'm going to be enter. So now you can see total earning, total deduction. Net salary, how can we get it? We can use the formula equal total earning minus total deduction. Enter. So 41,826. Right? So if you look at it here, the calculation is net salary 41,860, 826. Here also same. So if I change the employee's ID, everything will be changed. So 1002 is Ramani and he's a worker. Ramani, she is a worker. An ID number, a bank number, and the bank name. Day of joining, total working day, attendant work days, month of salary, and the net salary how much? 27,301. You can see here also 26,301. So perfect, everything is perfect. Likewise, you can test every employee's ID. So 1005 is how much? 45,963. You can see here 45,963. So our sum is perfect, right? So likewise, we can create the payslip.